I'm sure everybody must have told you that final year is very, very easy. Third and the most important disclaimer is please keep all your third year notes. Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be giving you a complete guide on final year of physiotherapy, on what books you need to have, on what all things you need to make sure before coming to final year. I myself just gave the final year exams last month and I will soon be starting with my internship at St. J.S. Medical College and KM Hospital in Mumbai. But before that, I really wanted to share all the information I have gained through this year of final year so that it can help you guys out. So without wasting any further time, let's get started. Coming from seniors to all my juniors, I want to give you 3 to 4 disclaimers before you enter your final year. Firstly, I'm sure everybody must have told you that final year is very, very easy. And yes, that's true. Final year is easier as compared to third year. The number of subjects are comparatively less, and in final year, you mainly focus on physiotherapy rather than all external subjects like surgery, orthopedic, and all of that. So, yes, final year is comparatively easier and more fun than your third year. Second disclaimer is that final year is easier because all the concepts that we are going to learn now are mainly focused on physiotherapy. So if you are somebody who simply loves physiotherapy as a career like me, you will find this year very, very interesting because you actually will now start seeing patients and you will start studying in depth about all the conditions you'll be seeing in your patients on a daily basis. Third and the most important disclaimer is please keep all your third year notes. I made this mistake by giving all my third year notes to my juniors and then later had to ask to return them back. Third year में जो भी आपने notes बनाए हैं, they are very, very important, especially when it comes to physiotherapy, that is a FTPS subject. Orthopedic, medicine, surgery, all those notes are still okay, but please keep all your notes when it comes to FDPS subject, because in your final year you're just going to learn more about the same subjects and the same topics that you learned in your third year. So please do not give away even your journals, your FDPS journals. Please do not give away any material when it comes to FDPS, because it's really gonna make the foundation of your final year subject. So let's start with the main part of this video. In final year, you will be having 8 subjects in total, out of which for 4 subjects, you will be giving a MUHS university exams, and the other 4 subjects are simply for your college examinations. The 4 subjects that you will be giving your university exams are firstly, musculoskeletal physiotherapy, secondly, neurophysiotherapy, cardiovascular and respiratory physiotherapy, and community physiotherapy. Subjects for your college examinations is ethics, bioengineering, research methodology, and biostatistics. And the fourth one is professional practice, management, and marketing. So now let's start discussing all the subjects one by one. The first one, musculoskeletal physiotherapy. Now इसको हम short में MSK बोलते हैं. MSK is the crux of physiotherapy, mostly for people who like orthopedic and all the common injuries that people come up to. So, of course, as the name suggests, musculoskeletal, matlab this involves all the patients that have gone through fractures or any kind of a knee replacement, hip replacement, anything related to orthopedic as a subject. Now, there are a lot of books that you can refer to in final year. One good thing about final year is that there are vast options from where you can study from. I personally studied from the main books that usually everybody learns from, and that is more than enough for your final year. Books that I referred to was Kistner, which was the main book that I referred to for every single concept. Secondly, there was Maggie for all the assessment and the special tests. Thirdly, Kessler. Now, Kessler is a sports physiotherapy book, but it has very, very innovative techniques of management. So if you want to add a little different point of view in your answers, you can always read a sports physiotherapy book like Kessler. And the fourth one was O'Sullivan. There are a lot more books that you can refer to, but I personally studied from these 4 books. But there are many other books which are available online, and you can always download soft copy and keep it in your device. Along with theory exams, you will also have a practical exam for all the 4 main subjects that I just told you. So musculoskeletal ka theory exam is for 80 marks and the practical is also for 80 marks. Coming to the second subject, which is the neurophysiotherapy. Now in this there is adults and the peds. Adults may most commonly seen patients are going to be stroke, all the cerebellar lesions, or any kind of a peripheral nerve injury. And in pediatrics, mostly cerebral palsy or Duchenne muscular dystrophy or any kind of a genetic disorder. The books that I referred to for this subject was firstly O'Sullivan. O'Sullivan is like a standard book that everybody reads and it has very good information. Secondly, I also used Samuel Raj. Now, Samuel Raj is a very small book. Let me show you. So, this is Samuel Raj. This book has all the concepts in a very concise form. So, if you want to do a last minute revision, this book is the best one. But if you are thinking of learning any concept, please do not take this book because इसमें सब बहुत ही simple and concise दिया है. So after you are done reading everything in depth, you can come to this book for a quick revision. And the third one was Cash Neurophysiotherapy textbook for physiotherapy. उसमें भी बहुत सारी information दी है, but not that much in detail. So these three books is what I personally used. Of course, for all the subjects, I had my seniors notes. Without them, I don't think any student can pass through any exam. So your seniors notes are equally important. So do not just rely on these books. Please also refer to your seniors notes, collect them, and then make your own notes so that while reading at the end, you know what you have written and it's easier for you to remember all those things as well. Coming to the third subject, which is the CVRS subject, cardiovascular and respiratory physiotherapy. ये बहुत ही फन सब्जेक्ट है. इसमें ऑलमोस्ट जो भी मैनेजमेंट है काफी सिमिलर होता है, but the portion for this subject was the vast. Also in final year, you will be introduced to ventilators and different modes of ventilation. So this is like a very important and a new concept which you will learn in final year. तो इसको प्लीज अच्छे से पढ़ना. प्लीज try and understand the core concepts because otherwise it will be very difficult for you to remember things in exam. The books that I referred to firstly was Cash textbook for physiotherapy. Secondly, O'Sullivan. Yes, O'Sullivan also has a lot of CVRS concepts. And thirdly, ACSM's guideline for exercise prescription. Now इसमें मोस्टली जो भी मैनेजमेंट का स्टफ है वो सब ACSM से किया है. बाकी सारे कॉन्सेप्ट्स जो थे वो सब मैंने O'Sullivan से किया है और कैश के टेक्स्ट बुक से किया है. This much is more than enough for your CVRS subject. And the fourth and the most important one is the community physiotherapy. Now, community physiotherapy is basically a holistic approach to the patients that you will see. Isme it has been divided into 5 major subjects. Firstly is women's health, then there is geriatrics, then there is industrial health, then there is community rehabilitation. Fifth one is health promotion. Firstly, for health promotion, you can refer to PARC, which you use in third year. And secondly, there is a book called Waqar Naqvi. It's a really nice book which you should refer to. For women's health, I refer to Jill Manton, Polden, and Kistner. Yes, Kistner also has a lot of concepts from women's health. For geriatrics, I refer to Andrew Gushon. For community-based rehab, again I refer to PARC and Waqar Naqvi. For industrial, I refer to Glenda Key. Out of all the subjects, community is a little bit vast but very fun and simple to understand. So for community, you will have a theory paper, a practical and a synopsis project. Now what is a synopsis project? In internship, you are supposed to carry out a research for which you have to decide a topic in your final year. So synopsis is basically a small draft on how you are going to conduct your research, on what title and on what subjects you are going to conduct your research, and how are you going to go about with it, and what are you trying to find out after doing that research. The synopsis is a crucial part in final year, which is always guided by your mentors and your teachers. So this was an overall and a short guide to final year of physiotherapy. If you have any more doubts, you can always let me know in the comment sections below. And I really hope that this video gives you a little idea on how to go about with final year. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe. I will now see you in my next one. Bye.